Hey everyone, today I thought we'd talk about patterns. So I'm in my classroom, so I'm going to make some patterns with some items that I have at my desk. I've got lots of paper clips, I have some pencil eraser tops, and I have some really pretty pens. So I thought that it would be cool to make some patterns. So I'm going to start with a paper clip and then an eraser. A paper clip, an eraser. A paper clip, and an eraser. Right? I've made a pattern. Paperclip, eraser, paperclip, eraser, paperclip, eraser. Right? Let's see if we can make another pattern. Maybe with my pens this time. So I'm going to have pen, pen, paperclip. Pen, pen. What comes next? Paperclip. Right? Pen, pen, paperclip, pen, pen, paperclip. That's a pattern, and I could continue the pattern by putting more pens. I could have pen, pen, and then what would come next? Paperclip. Good job. Paperclip would be next, and that is a pattern, right? Let's see if I could make a pattern with all three things, and I could put it eraser, pen, paperclip, eraser, pen, paperclip, eraser, pen, paperclip. Wow. Eraser, pen, paperclip, eraser, pen, paperclip, eraser, pen, paperclip. What comes next? Eraser, and then another pen, and then a paper clip. We just keep repeating that pattern over and over. And we can do that as long as we want. So today I want you to look around your house and find some things that you think you can make some patterns with. And you can make a pattern that looks like one of mine or make up your very own. So I can't wait to see what you find and how you make your pattern with it.